Guys, welcome to another video on Rasoi Saga. Today we are doing a quintessential vegetarian side dish, a mixed veg curry. So we are putting our own twist to it and we are making this mixed veg curry for you all to follow at home and have it with some roti, naan or even rice. Why it is going to be super quick is that we are using a vegetable curry mix from Avadata Organics. It is a Bangalore based organic company that has given us this vegetable curry mix. We are going to be using it and let us show you how to make the mixed veg curry with this. It is going to be super tasty, so keep following me and let's make the mixed veg. So this mix already contains all of the necessary masalas that you would use in a regular mixed veg curry. The regular curry at home, it has the turmeric, the red chili powder, the star anise, cinnamon, jeera powder, cumin powder, all of it in one quick mix.
We start with adding 2 tablespoons of white oil in a kadhai. When the oil gets heated up, add in 12 to 14 pods of finely chopped garlic and 1 big green chili. Let both of them brown a little. Now we add in thinly sliced onion. We have taken 2 small onions here. And now we are adding it to the same kadhai and letting it brown for 1.5 minutes. Once the onions are brown and ready, we will add in 2 tablespoons of the Avadata Organics vegetable curry mix. Add it to the same kadhai and stir it for a minute. Now we add in 1 tablespoon more of white oil in the same kadhai in order to saute the veggies that we have chopped and kept ready. For the vegetables here we are taking 2 carrots, 8 to 10 long green beans and 1 capsicum. We have chopped and kept them ready. You can add whatever veggies that you like. Since these veggies take a little bit of time to cook, we are adding them and we are letting them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We also add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Once that is done, we add in a cup of fresh green peas. We are using the peas a little bit later in the process because peas cook very fast. So we add that and we let the veggies cook again and soften a bit for 2 to 3 minutes more. When the veggies are softened and ready, we add in 2 tomatoes which we have chopped and kept ready. Mix everything well and add half cup of water at this step. Now let this cook for 5 to 6 minutes till it is soft and ready. We add half cup of curd at this step. We are using homemade dahi here. We add it to the kadhai and mix it well. We are also adding in half cup of cashew paste here. This is just your regular kajus grinded in the mixer. It is done to give a little bit of texture to the curry and also a little bit more of flavor. We mix everything well and let it cook for another minute. You can see the beautiful bubbles coming in the gravy and it is all coming together really nicely. Now at the end we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. And that's it. Your veg curry is ready. Your mixed veg curry is ready to go. You can also call it a veg korma and have it with your rice or roti or naan. And now we serve it with a little bit of coriander, a little bit of cream, and it's ready to be relished.
Okay, so finally our mixed veg curry is ready and it smells really good. I'm going to have this with roti for lunch. It is loaded with vegetables. your carrots and your beans, and I have also added a cup of fresh green peas. And yeah, you can add as many veggies as you want. You can also add paneer in this and make it even more wholesome. So I'm loving my mixed veg, which is now fresh and ready. I'm going to have this with hot rotis for lunch. I hope you guys liked the recipe and I hope you guys will follow it. If you want to make mixed veg just like this, you can purchase the vegetable curry mix from Avadata Organics. I'm putting the buy now links in the description below. It is available on their website. Purchase this and also check out other organic products, buy them. I'm sure you will like it. So yeah, I'm enjoying my mixed veg and I hope you guys try the recipe. Try it with your own twist. Let us know in the comment section what you thought about it. Subscribe, like, share, and let us see you in the next video. Ta-da!